Gladys West was an American mathematician whose work helped create the system we now call GPS. Her career shows how careful math and steady research can shape technologies used every day around the world. West grew up in rural Virginia, in the United States. Her family worked on farms, and local schools had limited resources. Still, she did well in her studies, especially in mathematics. Because of her strong performance, she received a scholarship and was able to attend college. There, she continued to study math, a subject that would guide her entire professional life. After finishing university, she began working for the United States Navy. She was assigned to the Naval Surface Warfare Center Dahlgren Division, a research center that used early computers to solve scientific and engineering problems. At the time, computers were large machines that required special training. Gladys joined the team as a programmer and analyst, learning how to use these machines to process large amounts of information. One important project she worked on was building a detailed model of the Earth called the geoid. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. It has bumps, uneven surfaces, and changes in gravity from one place to another. Gladys helped collect satellite data and used computer programs to adjust and refine it. Her calculations made it possible to map the Earth with greater accuracy. These models later became essential for the global positioning system. To understand why, it helps to look at how GPS works. GPS uses a group of satellites that orbit the Earth and send out signals. A GPS receiver, like a phone or a car navigator, listens to these signals and measures how long they take to arrive. Since the signals travel at a known speed, the receiver can calculate its distance from each satellite. By comparing distances from at least 4 satellites, the receiver can find its exact position on the planet. This system depends heavily on precise measurements of the Earth, including the models Gladys helped develop. During her long career, Gladys continued working on data from satellites, ocean heights, and spacecraft orbits. As computers became more advanced, she adapted her methods and continued contributing to major scientific projects. Over the years, researchers and engineers came to rely on models built from her calculations. As GPS spread around the world, people began to recognize the importance of the early work done by West and her colleagues. Today, GPS is used in phones, cars, airplanes, ships, science tools, and many other devices. It supports navigation, mapping, communication, and emergency services, all of these systems that would have never existed without her significant contribution. Later in life, West received recognition for her contributions. Her work shows the long-term value of steady, careful research. It also shows how people working quietly in technical fields can create tools that become central to everyday life. Today, Gladys West's influence can be found in almost every GPS device. Her calculations helped build the foundation for a technology used across the globe. Through simple but precise mathematical work, she played a key role in shaping how the modern world finds direction, measures distance, and stays connected. Gladys West's career also gives a bigger lesson. She showed that progress in technology often comes from patient, careful work done behind the scenes. Her focus on accuracy and her ability to adapt to new tools set an example for scientists and engineers today. Modern navigation, transportation, and digital mapping all carry traces of her influence. Her work demonstrates how steady dedication to science can shape technologies that millions of people now rely on every day. Gladys West was born in 1930 and passed away on January 17, 2026. Yet her work continues to guide us every day, whether during a routine trip to work or a journey to the other side of the planet. Did you know Gladys's story? Can you imagine not using GPS in today's life, even to predict traffic? Let me know in the comments.